Today we have a topic about the scaffolding. Scaffolding, if we want to work anywhere and we want to work more than 1.8 meter height, at that time we are using some temporary platform, and that temporary platform called scaffolding. Scaffolding inside the plant, if we want to work 1 meter, we can use the ladder less than 1 meter. But if we want to work more than 1 meter or 1.8 meter, then we must make a proper platform. And that platform have some basic requirement. Basically, scaffolding have 4 types of scaffolding we are using inside the plant. Number 1, mobile scaffolding. Number 2, stand scaffolding. Number 3, hanging scaffolding. And number 4, bracket scaffolding we are using inside the plant. Mobile scaffolding, if the surface is proper and proper place and no any problem, and also we want to move one place to other place, and that time we are using the mobile scaffolding. Mobile scaffolding have some wheel system and wheel with stopper. If we are using the mobile scaffolding, only not a wheel with stopper we are using there. Without stopper we not use the also scaffolding, mobile scaffolding. And if we want to stand scaffolding, we need some other thing, because this scaffolding is stay. We not move to one place to other place. At that time we must use the base plate. And if the surface is not proper, sandy place and improper place, then we also use their sandboard, planks, and then after that base plate, and then after that adjustable screw, then stand, and then other material. And also, if we are using the other bracket scaffolding and hanging scaffolding, there is small difference, but basic, first I am telling you about the stand and mobile scaffolding. There, the scaffolding parts, basic parts, stand, runner, barrier, braces, this one is basic, important thing. Also couplers, double couplers, these are things we are using there. And also, when we start the scaffolding, first we check the base. During the scaffolding inspection, we have a 5 point. First, we start from the base. In the base, first we check the surface of the earth, and then base plate. Base plate also size we are using mostly 6 inches or 15 centi. And after that, we use this one adjustable screw. If we want to make level, at that time we adjust to this level by the adjustable screw. And then we check the post. And when we start the first post, at that time we must check tag. If that post we start, and we need the first tag. Which tag? First we are now erecting the scaffolding. First we need the work permit, erection work permit. Then we are taking with us tag. We put their first post, we attach the tag. Everybody they can see and he know now they are erecting the scaffolding. And then when all scaffolding people, scaffolding helpers, scaffolding 1, 2, are also scaffolding supervisors, scaffolding safety officer also, when they are coming to the job site, they have one more PPE. Any other thing everybody is using, glass, helmet, safety shoe, these all things all people they are using. But erecting people, they must use his full body harness. If they are coming to there, also they are using. If the safety people, he is not erecting the scaffolding, but also he is using the full body harness, because they don't know when they are going any height. Because everybody who is related with the scaffolding, if the supervisor or foreman or level 2 scaffolder or 1 scaffolder, everybody must wear the full body harness with shock absorber, because if they are going to more than 4 meter, and they need also with shock absorber. And when they start the scaffolding erection, all scaffolder people must be very important thing. When they are going to job site, they must tie his all tool with his body. Some tools they can tie with his body, but some tool, if the hammer or other thing, they cannot tie by his body. They can tie at the scaffolding if they want to use there. And other spanner, level and other thing, they must be tied by his body. Also they are using some tools for the also the bags and for the net, bolt and these things. This one is very dangerous. If they not tie the tools and any tool collapse and the guy is standing under the scaffolding, if anybody hit by these tools, maybe not possible to save two guys because we are tied all tools. And other thing, when the scaffolding people, they want to erect the scaffolding, first they check his material, they check his documents, and then they start. And during the erection of scaffolding, they must be erect properly and barricade the area and also put the signboard. Erection work is in progress. And when they are doing this job, at that time, all people must be take this information from the supervisor, how much weight we are doing this one. Yani scaffolding have a by weight 3 types: low weight, medium weight, and heavy weight. And this thing also they know. And also other thing, if they are erecting the scaffolding have a by height 2 types. Number less than 12 meter and more than 12 meter. If the more than 12 meter, then we need the scaffolding engineer approval and also the scaffolding designed by engineer. The scaffolding supervisor cannot erect to that more than 12 meter scaffolding without the approval of engineer and designing of engineer. This one is basic requirement for the scaffolding. And scaffolding, when we are erecting, we must be checked is braces, runner, also post, and also platform, then anti-toe block, and mid-rail, top rail, and we must be check these things. And also ladder, and we ladder keep in 75 degree. And also ladder must be we lift upside the platform 1 meter or 3 steps of the ladder. And we also, everybody, if they are going upside the scaffolding and the guy tie his full body harness with the top rail. If he not found any other anchor point, then he can tie with the top rail. And when the guy is going upside the ladder, upside the scaffolding, at that time, one person only allowed to travel at the ladder in one time. And also, when they are using the ladder, they must be checked. This ladder is proper, also no step damage, and also they must be tied ladder in 3 points. If we tie in 3 points, then this ladder is safe. If we not tie by 3 points, then this one will be also take shock and collapse. And this one is also requirement for the scaffolding. When we are going to erect also scaffolding, we need the 3 tags. You know, the scaffolding we know by tags. If the red tag, it means this scaffolding not for the use, because this one not allowed to use. If the yellow tag, it means in the sub side, it means this scaffolding under progress. If the green tag, it means now scaffolding is ready, inspected, and you can use it. These 3 tags also we know about this. If we found a red tag, we not use. If we found a yellow tag, it means that only you can use in the Aramco standard also. If you green tag you found, then you can use. If the yellow tag, it means nobody can use without full body harness. And if the red tag, it's same. Not allowed to use.